Which road sign requires all vehicles to come to a complete stop? Which traffic sign warns drivers of an upcoming traffic light? Which traffic sign prohibits drivers from making a U-turn? Which traffic sign warns drivers of an upcoming roundabout? Which sign indicates a pedestrian crossing area? Which road sign forbids drivers from turning right? Which road sign indicates that vehicles are not permitted to enter the roadway? Which sign displays the maximum speed limit for the road? Which traffic sign marks an area designated for vehicle parking? Identify the no left turn prohibition sign. Which traffic sign warns drivers that the road surface may be slippery when wet? Which road sign warns drivers of an upcoming crossroad intersection? Identify the no parking prohibition sign. Which road sign instructs drivers to give way to other traffic? Which sign warns drivers that the road narrows ahead? Which sign warns drivers of an upcoming stop sign? Identify the two-way traffic warning sign. Which traffic sign warns drivers of an upcoming railroad crossing? Which road sign warns drivers that a yield sign is ahead? Identify the no pedestrian crossing prohibition sign. Which sign warns drivers of an upcoming speed limit change? Which sign marks the beginning of a school zone? Which traffic sign warns drivers of strong crosswinds ahead? Which sign marks a designated bicycle route? Identify the T-intersection warning sign. Which traffic sign requires drivers to turn right? Which sign indicates the beginning of a divided highway? Which road sign alerts drivers to road workers ahead? Which sign warns drivers of a snowmobile crossing area? Identify the railroad crossing crossbuck sign. Which sign warns drivers of an upcoming winding road? Which traffic sign alerts drivers to the presence of farm vehicles? Which sign indicates the end of a divided highway? Which traffic sign requires drivers to turn left? Identify the uneven road surface ahead warning sign. Identify the steep hill ahead warning sign. Which traffic sign prohibits snowmobiles from using the roadway? Which sign indicates that an additional left lane has been added? Identify the left curve ahead warning sign. Identify the school speed limit ahead warning sign. Which road sign warns drivers of a narrow underpass ahead? Identify the equestrian warning sign. Which sign marks a designated national network route? Identify the handicapped accessible facility sign. Which sign warns drivers of a school bus stop ahead? Which traffic sign marks a designated U.S. route marker 3 digits? Which sign indicates a vehicle ferry terminal ahead? Identify the no right turns for trucks prohibition sign. Identify the right chevron alignment direction sign. Identify the interstate route marker 3-digit highway sign. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video very helpful, drop your thoughts in the comment below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to get the latest videos like this. See you soon.